Namaste everyone. Welcome to Erectile Dysfunction Yoga series. Today we are day 4. Let's start. So let's stand onto your knees. Keep your knees about hip width apart. Shoulders rolled up, back and down. Then inhale, exhale. And next inhalation, bring your right arm up. Inhale. Exhale, bring the hand on the right foot. Inhale, left arm towards the sky. Hold and breathe. Inhale, exhale, hand down, and gently come back. Chain the hand. Inhale, left arm up. Exhale, bring the left hand onto the left foot. Inhale, right arm towards the sky. Inhale back. Exhale, release. Now both hands together. So this slightly advanced. If you cannot do, you can skip and continue one more time the half camel. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, left arm. And gently exhale, bring your hand to the left foot. Chest out, head back. Breathe. Breathe. And very slowly and gently come back. Bring your hands on the ground, shoulder width apart, knees remain hip width apart. Then inhale, arch your back, head up, look up. Exhale, chin to the chest. Inhale, arch your back, look up. Exhale, round your back. Inhale up. Exhale, round. Inhale up. Exhale, round your back. Good. And then lay onto your belly. And stretch your arms out, forehead down. Inhale, lift your head up. Right arm, left leg. Hold as high up as possible. Exhale down. Inhale, left hand, right leg and head up. Exhale down. Bring your hands under your shoulders. Fingers wide open. And inhale, lift your head up, push with your hands, chest up, shoulders up. Then relax your shoulders and tuck elbows by the side, look forward or up. Breathe. Exhale down. Then bend your knees, hold your ankles, forehead down. And inhale, lift your head up, shoulders up, legs up, try stand onto your abdomen. And breathe. Exhale down and relax in Makrasana. Hands on top of each other. And let's turn around, lie onto your back. Bend your knees. Hold your ankles or palm flat on the ground. And inhale, lift your hips up. Roll your shoulders towards the ground. Tuck your chin to the chest. Breathe. Now, in this position, you are going to bring your awareness onto your anus and you are going to contract your anus muscles and release them. Do it 3 times. Contract and release. Contract and release. Come down. Stretch legs out and let go for 10 seconds. 10-second rest. Good. Then bend your knees again. We are going to do slight advanced posture. So you can skip and do the shoulder stand that we just did earlier. If you want to try slight advance, and let's go ahead. Hands under your shoulders, feet about hip width apart. Then push with your hands and lift your head up and bring the top of the head onto the ground. Adjust and then lift all the way you can. Breathe. Please hold for 5 seconds. And exhale down. Good. Stretch your legs out. Shake them. And bend your knees. Hug them gently. Inhale. As you exhale, bring your forehead to the knee. Exhale down. Bring the hands on the ground. And raise your legs upward. Now those beginner and think cannot do more advanced, stay here. Those who are advanced and can push your body a bit more and push with your hands, lift your hips up and support your back with your hands. Shoulders down, breathe and stay. Good. To come out of the pose, you are going to lower your hip down, bring the hands onto the ground, and very slowly rolling down. With control. We are learning to control the body. Then, bring your hands under your body. The elbows are all the way in. Then, inhale, lift your head up, stand onto your elbows. Inhale, bring your chest out. And exhale, drop your top of the head onto the ground. Make sure whole weight is onto your elbows. And only gently touching your top of the head onto the ground. And inhale. Lift your head up, look at your toes again, and drop your body down. Very good. Let go and relax in Savasana for as long as you wish. Today's session is completed.